What is up, and good morning everyone, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day it is. Welcome back to the Resurrected Diesel channel. I want to say sorry for the lack of content. If you guys are new here, this is the diesel shop that I own. We have been extremely busy. It's been nonstop. It's been craziness. We haven't even had, I haven't even had a second to film anything. What's going on, any updates, all that stuff. And it's my apologies. We got so busy for a little bit. I didn't even have a second to breathe. As you can tell, the parking lot's full, pretty much full. We've got 3 trucks inside. I got this thing, which I think we might work on today for a little bit. Probably gonna try and get this thing running, working on getting the paperwork for it. Might end up selling this thing. I just have too many projects right now. I'm not sure. I don't know. There's a lot going on. I would like to rebuild it, but I might just try and get it running today, see what happens. We have this truck, which is going to be a drag truck most likely. Obviously the frame needs some love, getting cut up and stuff. Engine, some CP3 work. Dalton's working on painting that. 7.3 that needs like head gaskets or something. We don't know if we're fixing that. Duramax that needs an engine. We have all sorts of stuff going on. We have 3 more trucks inside. We got an LB7 that needs a CP3. We're doing some work to this beast of an excursion. And then we got this truck, which part of the reason we've been so busy is we had these guys come down from Virginia. Billy and some of his workers. They are great guys. They're hanging out here. We're working on their white truck is out in the parking lot too. We worked on another one of the trucks. This truck, we're not 100% sure the truck runs fine. We know what the issue is with it. We know what we're doing. We're not sure how far we're going yet. So this truck might be here for a full build. We don't know yet. We got to talk to them, figure it out. We have the ArcLight Dynamics plasma table. I need to put some more water in it. I haven't really cut much since I last displayed it. We did do this test piece out of stainless steel with some nitrogen. So if you didn't know this, you can actually cut stainless steel and aluminum, I believe it is, with nitrogen. It actually cuts way cleaner and different. Like the arc is like blue instead of white. Or greenish. It's more blue instead of greenish, whatever you want to call it. But we have a bottle of nitrogen for filling shocks and stuff, but we needed to cut some stainless to make it super clean. So we gave that a shot. Let's see what else. We might be doing a big job, which is what this test piece was. So we had to test that out. I'm going to work on maybe designing some traction bars here soon. I really want to get putting this table to use. We bought it. I've really just been so busy we haven't even got a second to use it. So yeah, I need to start making stuff. So if you guys would be interested in traction bars or any sort of fabrication pieces or anything like that, let me know so I can draw it up for you and start making some. That about covers it for in the shop. Like I said, I think I'm gonna try and get the Squarebody running today. But I do not know yet, so we'll see. I want to hook up a little gas tank to the fuel pump instead of going through I might pour some in the fuel tank too, see if it holds fuel. I don't know if it does, so let's go out there and try that. If you guys remember last time, we had a little bit of fire. I cleaned most of it out. So there's that. I don't think we're leaking gas yet. I did put about 3 gallons in. I don't think the clutch works at all on this. There's nothing really there. I think that's neutral. We have another key here. There's that. And then somehow the battery terminal got ripped off. So I'm gonna see if I can find one of those. There's our burnt filter. LB7 injector cup too. Oh, you know what? I think right here is probably our terminal. I don't know if I'll be able to make this work. I might just have to get creative with a good old-fashioned band clamp here or something. I don't really quite remember what we did last time to get this to work. I feel like we just connected the batteries. I'm not getting any starting out of this now. Oh, that's new. I don't remember what happened that caused us to go all crazy. Alright guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I have just been messing with wires for about an hour. I have no idea what I did that let this thing crank, but it ran. Not gonna put too much in here so we don't have another incident like last time. Hopefully we can get the fuel pump to pick up. I put some gas in it. I don't know if the gauge select really works. I don't know what I did, but so I don't know if this gauge actually works or not. Hopefully the right tank was selected. I'm gonna put a little more gas in here and see if we can start getting some flow. I don't know if we're gonna be able to or not. I don't see anything yet, but the gas never hurt nobody. Well, it did hurt us last time. Again, I will say the only thing that I did was press in the e-brake. I think it might be. I think this needs to be open. think I've ran out of gas, but that's all right. We made some good progress for today, at least, I believe. I don't know if I can switch the gas tank or not, but probably about all she wrote. I didn't put a lot in the other tank. I think it's pulling off the right tank, but that one has a leak. But we got it running. So there was low on brake fluid, a little low on coolant. I'm gonna try and see if I can figure out the brakes and see where they're leaking from, or if they're leaking at all. Maybe they just haven't been bled in forever, they just ran out. I'm guessing there's a leak. Other than that, I need a 2-piece drive shaft for this thing. See if I can find one of those bad boys laying around. But I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today. I'm glad it got running. I'm pretty stoked on that. Yeah, this thing is sweet. Part of me wants to keep it and actually build it now. But this engine surprisingly runs after being stuffed with oh, maybe that's why. I think that's supposed to be open. That before wouldn't let it start, it was flooding it, so give it one more go. Yeah, I think it's out of gas. I might go get some for it. But anyways, like I said, I'm gonna clean up for today. Call it a good old day on this. I don't know what I did to get it going, but it's going. I gotta see about fixing the tanks. If I can swap it over to the other tank or whatnot. Maybe just power the valve or something. But I'd like to get this thing rolling. I am supposed to get a title for it and maybe sell it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments below what you think we should do with this thing, because I'm kind of lost. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Again, I apologize for the update. It's been hectic, or I apologize for the delay of updates. It's been hectic here. This trailer is actually going goodbye to Travis. You guys all know Travis over there. That truck is rolling. I need to finish that thing. I need to just start chipping away at these projects one day at a time when I get some time. It's just been so stressful being here all the time. Trying to take a break, but yeah. So, and then we got that thing too. But like I said, guys, I'll let you go. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully I'll get at least on a weekly schedule. Don't hold me to it because we are slammed, but maybe get on a weekly upload schedule every weekend or so. I'm gonna try to get this video up today. It is Sunday, so all right guys, I'm gonna clean up. We'll catch you later. I'm out.